In our previous class, we have studied the volume of the cube, surface area, total surface area, lateral surface area of the cube, and the volume of the cuboid, and total surface area, lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now we have to start our new topic. The topic is the cylinder. In our general life, we all of you seen the example of cylinder is the curved shape. For example, you all of you use the sanitizer is the shape of the cylinder. We have seen that this shape is the cylindrical shape. In the cylinder, and also there is one pipe, hollow pipe. This is the also example for the cylinder. In the cylinder, you have seen that there is a curved surface area. This lateral surface area known as the curved surface area, and there is a two circles. In there is a first circle, and the last is that is circle. Okay. So cylinder is also made from two circles. If we want to find the total surface of a circle, then we have to find just the curved surface area of the circle and the base area of circle and the top area of the circle. Okay. So here we have a figure of the cylinder in our green board. You have seen there is a height h, radius r. If we want to find the curved surface area of the cylinder, what is the meaning of curved surface area? It means that is surrounding part. No? If we want to find that curved surface area of the cylinder, we just find that for the circle, we know that the circumference. In your earlier classes, you know that the circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, where the radius is the distance between the center to circle. This is known as the radius. Okay. So circumference, what is the meaning of circumference? The perimeter of the circle known as the circumference. Okay. So if we want to find the curved surface area of the cylinder, we have to multiply circumference into height. Okay. Circumference into, if we multiply the circumference into height, then we find the curved surface area of the cylinder. So CSA of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder. What is that? 2 pi r means circumference. Circumference of cylinder into height. So CSA is equal to 2 pi r h. This is the formula of the CSA. It means that if we have a given in any kind of the questions, what is the curved surface area of the cylinder, you have to just find the you have just multiply circumference of circle into height, 2 pi r h. Okay, the next thing is that what is the total surface area of the circle. So if you want to find the total surface area of the circle, you have just see that in the cylinder, the total surface area, what is that? CSA plus one circle top, one circle down. Okay, so CSA plus one circle up plus one circle down, and you know that the area of the circle. Okay, the area of the circle, what is that? Area is equal to pi r. In your previous classes, you know that the area of the circle is equal to pi r square and the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So up, the area of the up and down, that is the pi r square. Okay, and that one is also the pi r square. So total area is equal to pi r square plus pi r square. And you know that the circumference is equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. And you have seen that the example common between them 2 pi r, both of them. You can take the 2 pi r as a common, then you have h plus r. So TSA, total surface area of the cylinder, will that 2 pi r into h plus r. Okay, from this formula we can easily find the different types of the questions answer. Okay, just see one example of a question from this Okay, from the previous formula, we have a question. The question is that if the diameter of the base of the right circular cylinder is the 14 centimeter, it means that, for example, we have a cylinder. Okay, diameter. What is the diameter? Diameter, it means that a line passes through the center is called the diameter. Okay, the diameter is equal to 14 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. Okay, the height is 10 centimeter. Then find the CSC and TSC of the cylinder. CSC, it means the curved surface area we have to find. The total surface area we have to find. Okay, so for the solution, so we have a given diameter. In the formula we have a radius. So radius is equal to diameter upon 2. The diameter is equal to 14. 14 upon 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, the formula of the CSA, we know that, what is that? 2 pi RH. Okay, so 2 into 22 upon 7 into what is the radius? That is 7 into height. What is the height? That is 10. Okay, so 7 cancel out to 7. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, and into 10, then we have a 440 centimeter square, that is the CSA. And if we want to find the formula of the TSA, what is the TSA? We just find that 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h plus, okay, just put the values. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius 7 into height 10, radius 7. Okay, when you cancel the 7 into 7, then we have a 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, so 44 multiplied by 10 plus 7, 70. 10 plus 7. When you multiply 44 into 17, then you got 748 centimeter square. It means that PSA of that cylinder is equal to 748 centimeter square, and the CSC of that cylinder is equal to 440 centimeter square. Okay, so from this formula you see that we can easily find a different kind of those question in which we have a given the what is the what is the CSA and what is the TSA of the cylinder. Okay, now we have to just find the what is the formula of the volume. Okay, okay, now we have to start volume of the cylinder. Volume of cylinder. In your earlier classes, I have already taught you that if you want to find the regular figure of that, just like a cuboid and cube, volume, you have to just multiply the area of the base into height. So here we have a given cylinder. And we want to find the volume of the cylinder. If we just find the volume of the cylinder, just for example, I have a cylindrical type of hollow thing. You have to find the volume. The difference between the volume of CSA is that CSA is a curved surface, but volume, what is the space between them? If you put something in that thing, then that is a volume. On that time, in this thing, what is that? Air, इसके अंदर air होगा. So if we want to find the volume of the any kind of a cylinder, we have to just multiply the area of the base into height. So that is the volume. Air contained in the cylinder or anything contained in the cylinder, that is the space known as the volume. So what is the volume? Volume is equal to area of base multiplied by height. Okay, so what is the area of the base? You have seen that is the cylinder. So V is equal to pi r square into h, or V is equal to pi r square OH. So from this formula we can easily find a different kind of the volume of cylinder. Okay, just see one example from this. Okay, one question by the formula of the volume of the cylinder. In your screen it is given that a rectangular sheet of the paper 44 centimeter into 18 centimeter rolled along its length and cylinder is formed by the volume of, find the volume of the cylinder. It means that you have given one rectangular sheet, okay, where the length is that 44 centimeter and the breadth is that 18 centimeter. Okay, you have a length 44 centimeter, breadth 18 centimeter. You have to find when it rolled. You have seen that this is the rectangular sheet 44 centimeter and that one is the 18 centimeter. When you rolled along the length, then you have seen that it is a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. You have to find what is the volume of the hollow cylinder. And you know that if you want to find the volume of the cylinder, the formula is V is equal to pi r square h. So V is equal to pi r square h. Okay, when you rolled it, when you rolled it, what you have seen? 44 centimeters convert a circumference of circle. Okay, what you have seen there? The 40 that length 44 centimeter of the sheet, it converts into the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is equal to 44 centimeter. Okay, and the breadth of this paper is known in that cylinder is the height. Breadth working, the work of the breadth is the height. Okay, just see here. The circumference is equal to 44 centimeter. Then the what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. Okay, the formula of the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 44. Okay, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 44. Then r is equal to 44 multiplied by 7. Okay, upon 2 into 22. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 22, 22. Then r is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, and you know that when it is rolled out, when you have made a circle cylinder, the radius is equal to what is given 7 centimeters, and that breadth is working as a height. Okay, so height is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the volume. The formula of volume is equal to pi r square h. Okay, so value of the pi 22 upon 7. The value of the r 7 into 7, and the height is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, so when you consider the 7 to 7, then you got V is equal to 7 to the 14, 4 carry 1, 7 to the 14 and 154 into 18. Okay, when you multiplied 154 into 18, then you got value is equal to 2772 centimeter cube. Okay, so you can easily find of volume of any kind of the thing. So I think You all of you understand about the volume and the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay student, thank you so much.